All right, so good morning, everybody, once again. And Sumit has already introduced me. For those who joined now, I'm Preeti Pahwa. I'm partner eMinds Legal. I'm a company secretary and a lawyer with around 25 years of experience now. And I have been practicing under this law for quite some time, 7, 8 years. The intention of today's webinar is to make you aware of this law because a lot of people mentioned that they are yet to know about this law. So let's quickly begin. With this uh, presentation, with this very interesting video. All right, no issues. So why we are here? So we are here to understand what is sexual harassment. The law mandates every organization, all the employees to have the understanding of this law. This law mentions or this law covers details such as what it defines what is sexual harassment, who's an employer, who's an employee, what is a workplace, because this is what gets covered under the law. What is the role of an IC, internal committee? So it's a very important function in an organization set up under this law. What is the grievance redressal process, which is established under this law in case any offense gets committed? The punishment that is defined under the law for established offenses, the compliances under POSH, under this law and under related laws that we will be sharing, and how do we build a culture of prevention? Building a culture of prevention, like I mentioned earlier, is very, very important. Uh, if there is if the culture of an organization is such that it is safe for any gender, then the top 5 points would remain with us as a knowledge, and they do not need to get implemented in an organization. So the intention is to build such a culture in an organization where everybody who comes to work feels safe. There are no such incidents of sexual harassment happening in the organization. So we saw the statements appearing on the screen. The statements made by fellow colleagues or maybe supervisors, two female colleagues mentioning that you wear this kind of dress tomorrow, maybe you get a lot of business for us. Statements like you read on the screen, like I can drop you, it's late in the night, I can drop you home, but the service is not free. So hinting towards giving some sexual favors in turn for something which the opposite person is trying to do for you. These kind of statements get passed very loosely, lightly, which can be taken again very loosely or lightly by the female if she has no problem hearing such statements. But for somebody who feels offended, these can be this can be complained against as a sexual harassment matter. So, when let me share my own example, because this is a very sensitive topic, and sharing somebody else's example might be offensive to them. But in the beginning of my career, when I was working with a company, a young organization, all friends, all become good friends working in the same place. We spend best part of our lives working in the office. So, and they were into holding conferences. So similar kind of statement got made to me. Why don't you wear that dress? You look really nice in that dress. Wear that dress. Maybe the delegates feel nice. So had I been, since we were friends, nobody would mind such kind of statements. However, today, if somebody tries to tell me what to wear on any occasion, I can, and if I sense that the statement is not made with the right intent, I can uh, file a complaint against that fellow, because if a female is hired to work in an organization, she's not hired basis what she wears or how she looks. She is hired basis the qualification, the experience, the expertise that she brings to the table for the organization. So it's very important to monitor our behavior, the way we talk, the way we behave with our colleagues in the organization. That such kind of behavior determines the culture, the environment in an organization. The endeavor of this law is to prevent sexual harassment of women at workplace, so that the females feel secure when they come to work in an organization, and they are like saved from such kind of offensive behavior from their fellow colleagues.
Welcome to COMPLINITY Technologies. COMPLINITY is India's leading governance, risk and compliance software helping companies to manage their compliance, contracts, litigation, legal updates, inter-financial controls and more. COMPLINITY is a one-stop shop for all GRC needs. With our proprietary 12 GRC modules and real-time legal updates on 2,000+ laws and 24,000+ compliances, all in an integrated platform that is easy to use with automated alerts and risk management capabilities, is why compliance managers, general counsels and chief financial officers choose COMPLINITY every time. Join the most innovative and prestigious brands that use COMPLINITY. Automating your compliance management. Request a demo at complinity.com.